Chapter 13, The Gut Healing Diet. Healing the gut isn't just about eliminating harmful foods. It's about flooding the body with nutrients that support digestion, restore microbial balance, and repair the gut lining. The gut healing diet is designed to do just that. By focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods, this approach reduces inflammation, supports beneficial gut bacteria, and helps seal a leaky gut. Whether you're struggling with digestive issues, autoimmune conditions, or low energy, optimizing your diet is one of the most powerful tools for long-term gut health. The key to this diet is simplicity and sustainability. Rather than obsessing over complicated food rules, it emphasizes real, unprocessed foods that nourish the microbiome and promote digestive balance. Think of it as eating in a way that supports your gut's natural ability to heal and thrive. The foundations of a gut healing diet. The gut thrives when given the right balance of macronutrients, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, and micronutrients, vitamins, and minerals. The best gut healing diet is anti-inflammatory, reduces gut irritation, and supports immune function. Rich in fiber and prebiotics, feeds beneficial bacteria, and promotes regular digestion. Nutrient-dense, provides essential vitamins, minerals, and amino acids needed for gut repair. Low in processed foods and sugar. Prevents microbiome imbalances and reduces gut permeability. By focusing on whole, unprocessed foods, the gut can heal naturally, leading to better digestion, more energy, clearer skin, and a stronger immune system. Best foods for gut healing. Bone broth and collagen. Rich foods. Bone broth is packed with gelatin, amino acids, and minerals that help repair the gut lining and reduce inflammation. Collagen-rich foods like slow-cooked meats and wild-caught fish provide building blocks for intestinal repair. 2. Fermented foods and probiotics. Fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and yogurt introduce beneficial bacteria into the gut. These probiotics help restore microbial balance, improve digestion, and enhance immune function. 3. Prebiotic-rich foods. Prebiotics feed the good bacteria in your gut. Garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, artichokes, and green bananas contain prebiotic fiber that promotes a healthy microbiome. 4. Healthy fats. Anti-inflammatory fats like avocados, olive oil, wild-caught fish, nuts, and seeds help repair the gut lining and support brain health. Avoid inflammatory fats found in vegetable oils, processed foods, and fried foods. 5. Fiber-rich vegetables and fruits. Non-starchy vegetables like leafy greens, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and zucchini provide essential fiber for gut motility and microbiome diversity. Low-sugar fruits like berries, papaya, and kiwi offer antioxidants without excessive sugar. 6. Gut-healing herbs and spices. Ginger, turmeric, oregano, and cinnamon have powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that support digestion and fight harmful bacteria. Foods to avoid for gut healing. Just as important as eating gut-friendly foods is removing those that trigger inflammation and microbiome imbalances. Common culprits include refined sugar and artificial sweeteners, feed harmful gut bacteria, and contribute to dysbiosis. Processed and fried foods contain additives, preservatives, and inflammatory oils that damage the gut lining. Gluten and conventional dairy, for some people, can contribute to leaky gut and food sensitivities. Alcohol and excessive caffeine disrupt gut flora and increase intestinal permeability. By eliminating these gut disruptors, the body can focus on healing rather than fighting inflammation, making the gut healing diet a lifestyle. This isn't just a short-term fix, it's a long-term strategy for vibrant health. Once gut healing is well underway, many people find that they no longer crave processed foods and instead naturally gravitate toward nutrient-rich, whole foods that make them feel good. The best way to succeed is to keep it simple. Focus on nourishing meals, listen to your body, and build a diet that works for your unique needs. Over time, the gut will become stronger, digestion will improve, and you'll experience better overall well-being inside and out. In the next chapter, we'll explore key supplements that can accelerate gut healing and support digestive function for even faster results.